Okay, now we will start SQL queries. So what exactly is an SQL query? What are the basics, etc.? We are going to learn that now. So here is the SQL mantra. Everybody should learn this, and once you know this, then you know SQL. This is called as select star from table. So this is the SQL mantra. Select star from table. Everybody say this mantra. Please say this. I'm not able to hear. Select star from table. Say that. From table. Yeah. So this is the SQL mantra. That is very important. Everybody should know that mantra. At least you should say this for initially while you are learning. Okay. Select star from table. So once you know this, you're almost done with SQL. If you can remember this mantra, then you're almost done with SQL. You don't need any more training. So what is the first thing that we want to do? How do we fetch or how do we gather all the values or all the records from a particular table? So there are multiple tables in a database. How do we fetch all the values from a particular table? So to select all the columns and all the rows, to select full data from a table. Let us suppose there is a RDBMS or there is a database management system. In that there is a table, products table or customers table or any other table. We just want to take all the records and gather them, and we want to see that data. What do we do? The mantra is select star from table. Here we just need to write select star from what table? That is products table. Let us suppose I want to get all the records from products. I just need to write select star from products. So this is how we will write it. Select star from products. So here we have so many tables, right? Customers, employees, offices and all that. So from the tables, if I want to select star from, what is the table name? Products, right? Products, product lines, payments, orders, order details, offices. If you want to see any of the details from any of these tables, you just need to write the table name products. Select star from products. So that's it. When you write this and when you execute it, you'll get the output. What is the output? Whatever is there in that particular table: product code, product name, product line, product sales, product vendor, product description, quantity in stock, buy price, MSRP. Select star from table. Sometimes you might have to give like this: classic models dot products. You understood why I'm giving like this? Because classic models is the database name. The table is in that particular database. You can give it like database name dot table name, select star from classic model dot products. You execute it, you get the output. So that is how we select data from a particular table. So what is the mantra? Everybody say it again loudly. Select star from table. If you are not saying, you will not get SQL. As simple as that. How do we fetch a particular call? Yeah, okay. You say it to yourself, okay? Not a problem. But how do you fetch a particular column from a particular table? This is to fetch. Fetching means to get the data, okay? This is to get the data from a particular table. How do you fetch a particular column from a particular table? So there is this products table. I want to get a particular column. I don't want the full data. I want one particular column. So earlier it was select star. Star means every column. Select star, every column from products table. Here we will say column name from products table. So here I want only product name. Select star from table was the earlier one. Select particular column name. Select column name from the table name. Select product name that is the column name from table products. Let me do it. Select the column name. The column name is product name. Let us have a product name from table name is classic models dot products. So classic models dot products is the table name. From that I want only product name as the output. So select column name from this particular one. So when I execute it, there is an error. It says that you have SQL syntax error. What is the error? Maybe I'll just put colon here. So maybe this is the end of the statement. Then I'll put end of the statement here. And then, so when I executed this, so this is a different statement, this is a different statement. So this is the SQL end of the statement. So when I executed this particular code, let me clean it up a bit. So when I executed this particular code from classic models products table, classic models is the database name, products is the table name, select product name from this particular table. That is what the query is, and the query results in a particular column from a particular table, that is product. So that is how you fetch a particular column, that is product name, from table name. So select column name from table name. How do you fetch some specific columns? I mean, there it was one column. What if we want to fetch multiple columns from a particular table? Now intuitively you should get it. Select star from table gives all the records, all the columns. Select column name from table name gives one column name. Now if you want to fetch 2-3 columns, then you just need to mention those 2-3 columns. Select column name 1, column name 2 from table name. So to select few columns, like more than one column, then you need to write the code this way. Select column name 1, column name 2 from table. Here we'll write select column name 1. What is the column name that we want to fetch? Product name, comma MSRP. MSRP was another column from classic models dot product. So this query should result in product name and MSRP. So I wrote the query, select. So here you can see the action output. Select product name, etc., etc. 110 rows returned. This tick mark, green tick mark indicates it has executed without any errors. Red tick mark, mark indicates that it has some errors, SQL syntax error or something. Now green tick mark here down below the screen, you can see the query is executed correctly. Select product name MSRP from classic models and from the product name is there, MSRP is there. That is how you select two columns from a particular database, and within that a data table. That is how you select two columns. Again, the mantra is select star from a particular table. So select one column name 2 from this table name. Can you assign alias while fetching the columns? Okay. What is an alias? A renaming kind of thing. Here we have a product name. While getting the output, I don't want to get it as product name. I want to get it as model name. So simply earlier select star from table is the mantra. So select column name from the table name was the code. Here we have to give select column name as alias 1. So here select product name as model name. So instead of product name, I want to have the output as model name from the products table. So this is very easy to understand. We will take the same code, select product name. This is the code for fetching product name from this particular table, but I want this product name as model name. It will be just alias or renamed. Product name will not stand as product name, it will be understood as model name. So this alias is very important because later on we will be doing a lot of operation, count and sum, etc. There they won't have particular names, so it's important that we give a particular name to a column or a calculation that we are doing on the runtime. So that's why we need to understand this alias. So select product name as this particular model name. So model name column is not there. We are assigning this particular product name column in the output as model name. So if I execute this, it will give the same results, but instead of product name here, the name instead of product name, it is giving me the model name because that is what we have given that as alias. So if we want to select multiple columns and give multiple aliases, that is also very simple. Here this is how we select multiple columns, that is product name column, MSRP column from this particular table. Both of them if we want to give alias, so product name as model name and MSRP as what should be the one, final price. Then we'll try to execute this. Select product name as model name, MSRP as final price from the classic model. So this will also execute and give us the output model name, final price. Instead of product name and MSRP, we see model name and final price. So I would like to pause here and ask you if you have any questions till now, whatever we have discussed in these 5 commands. Any questions? Any questions? No, okay. How do you fetch the data with a condition? Now this is important. So to fetch the data, we are using select star from a table, select column name from a table. So that is what we are using. Now if we have a condition, let's say there is a where condition. I want to select star from the products, everything from the products, but where with a where condition where product line is only motorcycles. So we need to write select star from table where particular condition, column name equal to particular value, product line equal to motorcycles. So we want to fetch the data. To fetch the data, we are using select star from table with a condition. So we have a where condition. So select star from table where the condition name is column name, let's say age greater than 30 or region equal to east or number of credit lines less than or equal to 3. So we can have, we want, not every time we want to get the whole data from the table, raw data table, right? Sometimes we want to give where month equal to January or where customer segment equal to so and so. So we want to select star from the table with a condition. So we just need to write select star from table where column name equal to value. Here what we are trying to do, select star from products table where product line equal to motorcycles. Let me see first. Select star from tables. If we see the product table, select star from the products table, if we see the output, there is something called product line. Where is it? Yeah, product line. It has motorcycles, classic cars, motorcycles, trucks and buses, and so on. So I want to do select star from tables. Select star from classic model tables with a condition. What is the condition? Where product line equal to, within the quotes, motorcycle. So instead of bringing everything, only we should get the output product line equal to motorcycle. Only product line is motorcycle. So if you execute that, we have the output which says null null null. So somewhere we have gone wrong. So let's see what is the issue here. Select star from classic model products. So we are getting everything from the products table where product line equal to motorcycles. So did we write this correctly? Yeah. Let me go back to the query once again. Maybe we did not give exactly. So motorcycles. So there is nothing like motorcycle. So motorcycles. So select star from this fetches everything. We are giving with a where condition product line equal to motorcycles. So when we execute this, we should get an output where product line equal to motorcycle, everything that has motorcycles. Now when we executed this, this is the output that we got it. This query gives the output as this one, where product line is motorcycles, 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 everything is motorcycle. That's how we get the, we execute a query or we fetch the data with a condition. This is where condition. Let's do a where condition on a numerical variable. Here it is a character variable, string variable, particular value equal to this one. Or else we can also do something like select star from table, select all the values from table where the condition is MSRP greater than 100. Here also it's a where condition on a numerical variable. Just one more example, that's it. So I'm trying to write select star from table, select star from this table, that is classic models product table, where the condition here is different, MSRP greater than 100. So where is MSRP? Is there anything like MSRP? Yes. So I want to get only those values where MSRP is greater than 100. All the values, select star all the columns from this table. Within this query, if I want to get only few columns, I mention the column names here. So here I want to get all the columns from this table where MSRP greater than 100. When I execute this, executed correctly, and this is my output, and most of the times, in fact every time, MSRP is greater than 100 because that is what our condition was, where condition. How do you fetch the data with multiple where conditions? So you have one where condition, that is product line, the other where condition is MSRP. If you have multiple where conditions, and it is possible because you have one raw data set and the final data set that you want to get might have multiple conditions, something like a particular region, from a particular region where region equal to this, where age is greater than this, where customer segment is this, where gender equal to this, something like that. We might get multiple conditions. So that is also very intuitive. Select star from table, select all the records from table where condition is product line equal to this and MSRP greater than 100. So you have, if your condition is or, you can put or. If your condition is and, I mean if both the conditions should satisfy, then you can put where variable condition 1 and condition 2. So we'll try to write that query here. Select star from table classic models dot products, where what is condition 1? Product line equal to vintage cars. Product line equal to, let's say, classic cars. That is condition number 1. And what is condition number 2? MSRP is greater than 100. These two are the conditions, and we are looking for all the records with condition 1 and condition 2 satisfied. So this is the output which has all the classic cars where MSRP is strictly greater than 100. Or you can give OR condition as well. Select star from classic models. Either this should be satisfied or MSRP should be greater than 100. So basically you can have the first condition satisfied or the second condition satisfied, or let me put the first condition as either their motorcycles or MSRP is greater than 100. One of these conditions is satisfied, then you can execute this query, either motorcycles or, so since this is motorcycle, that's why MSRP is less than 100 or greater than 100 doesn't matter, because if one of these conditions is satisfied, the result will be there. It will be selected, the output. So either MSRP is greater than 100, or if it is less than 100, then definitely you will see motorcycles is the product line. Either MSRP greater than 100, or this is OR condition, this is AND condition. So that is select star from table where multiple conditions. Here is an OR condition where quantity in stock is greater than 4000 or MSRP more than 150. Let's run this query as well. So select, this is multiple where conditions with OR as an operator. Select star from tables. Classic models is a database. Classic models from, so you want to select everything with two where conditions. First one is quantity in stock should be more than 150. So quantity in stock is greater than how much? 4000 MSRP. So either quantity in stock should be high or MSRP is greater than 150. One of these conditions is satisfied. We want to get that as a, we want to select that, we want to fetch that. So either quantity in stock is more than 4000, if it is less than 4000, MSRP should be greater than 150. So that is how we do multiple conditions. I would like to pause here and ask you if there are any questions right now.